Welcome to basic Google Sheet scripting. We have a sheet here, and the purpose of the script is to take these numbers in the A column and copy them to the B column. And you can see how it works here. Now I push on that and it runs the scripts from 1 to 9 here. Okay, so how do I do that? Well, the script is placed under the tools here. And then you can see the script is here. Here we have the sheet, and I say get range and row and column. And the column start with the 1 and row start with 1. So the first row and the first column, I get the value and save it into this variable. And then the same again, sheet, get range, row, and then column plus 1, so it's the row to the right. I set the same value. And then I loop from 1 to 10. So 1 to 9 actually. And the function is my function. We're gonna need this name. Okay, so I go here and just delete this. So how do I make this button? Well, it's pretty simple. I just go insert drawing and just write something here. Hello world, and then I make it, give it some color, and I save it, and I can move it around here. And now I push this and assign the script, and I have just saved it. Now when I push this button, it's gonna run the script. See? That's it.